Hi there, and welcome to Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online. My name is Jennifer Dixon, and today for our Quick Tip Thursday, I want to give you one quick thing that you can do to help improve your asana practice. So, a lot of times people struggle with really tight hamstrings. I'm not one of them, but I see it a lot in class. And so here is one of my favorite cues to give folks as they progress through their practice to help give their body a little bit of security as we go to stretch the hammies. Okay, so one thing I want to give you as like a little bit of a tidbit, your body has like an amazing ability to protect itself. When it feels like it's in danger, like instinctively, we're just going to tense up, right? So hamstrings are fairly large muscles on our legs, and they're connected through the glutes and into the back. And if we have injury to the back, if we have, all sorts of trauma and stuff gets hidden right here in our hips and stuff. So whether we know it or not, as we go into these stretches, if you come up with some really intense feelings, that might be more than just the muscles. And so one way we can overcome that is to create a safe space. I'm trying to use like PC words here. And something that you can do for your hamstrings, especially in forward folds, like on the ground, is grab a blanket. If you have a yoga blanket, awesome. If you don't, just grab like sheets or a pillow, something small. And for me, I have my legs, my hamstrings aren't the tight things. I have different areas that are tight. But if you end up sitting more like this when you're trying to do your forward fold, this is the best cue ever for you. So what you're going to do is take your blanket and roll it up and put it underneath the soft part behind your knees. You want to roll it up as much as you need to where the backs of your knees and the backs kind of the tops of the heads of the hammies, they're all feeling it. Because guess what? That sends this subliminal message to your hamstrings and then to your brain that, guess what? Everything's okay. Everything is okay. So this one little prop as you forward fold could be all you need to create the space that you need and the safety that you need to suddenly go from like this in your forward folds where you're just like, oh, I hate life, this is not cool, to a place where you can get into that tilting the pelvis forward some more and then forward fold. The most important thing here is to think about it takes time. Like, yeah, we love to watch pictures of people on social media and try to compare ourselves. Don't do that. Your body has its own story, its own journey. So the key is to make it feel safe throughout the journey so that it'll open up too, just like the spring flowers that are coming up here. So as you progress, so right now my blanket's as folded up as it possibly can be. As you progress and things get easier and easier, the beauty of this rounded blanket is that you can unroll it a little bit more and a little bit more until finally there's really not anything supporting your knees, but your brain, it's really funny, your brain-body connection, it just feels safer because it's there, and you forward fold. Keep in mind you want to kind of keep your chin tucked while you're forward folding to protect your neck. Eventually, with time, you'll be able to do this forward fold, and it won't be as hard as it is today. But one quick thing that you can do is just grab a blanket, set it underneath your knees. I promise you it'll make a difference. It's just this weird connection. Your body's like super afraid. As soon as it feels safe, you'll be able to relax a little bit more and a little bit more. And over time, you will get to that safe space where you can happily experience a Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold, if you will. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I think it's kind of like right down there. Hit subscribe here. We're putting out new content almost every single day, and I can't wait to share some more of my favorite practice, which is yoga. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.